Well, so here we are in the we're in the ChatGPT Ads Manager. Okay, this is real. OpenAI just launched ads in ChatGPT and we got approved. And I just launched a campaign that almost no one has done yet. So let's go through and see what exactly it looks like. Well, so here we are in the we're in the ChatGPT Ads Manager. I think it is looking like Facebook Ads Manager as of now. You can see that here's the beta version of this. And you can also see that we have launched our first campaign, which is not serving yet because it's our first campaign. We just got approved on the platform and the campaign is under review. Even the account itself is under review. Let me just walk you through everything that has been offered in ChatGPT Ads Manager. You can see this is our company name, AdShot Media LLC, today's date and everything. This is our campaign, and inside the campaign, let me see if we can just see. You can see this is the campaign, this is the ad group, and ads is not showing yet because I think it is not approved. But this is how the overall interface of ChatGPT ads look like. This is where you can fill up your billing information, and this is the setting and everything, and these are the tools. Here you can see the change history, like in Google Ads you see change history of the campaigns and account. Here is the change history is what we can see. You can see May 21, today's date. This is all the changes that we made today. Let's walk you through and see that how we can create the ads, or how we have created the ads in ChatGPT. Let's go to create and go to create campaign. Let's name it test AdShot Media. Let's have the objectives. So currently the objective that is available is clicks and reach. I believe the clicks is like, if we compare to Google Ads, it should be like maximize clicks, and in reach it should be like when we run YouTube campaigns where the cost is determined by CPM. You can see currently the location which is available to advertise is United States, Canada, Australia and New Zealand. And you can select the daily budget. For example, let's select $20 as the daily budget, or let's do it $5 as of now. $5 daily budget, and objective is, let's select clicks. Okay, ad events. So what it is that you have to select a conversion goal for your campaign. For example, for now I did set up a appointment scheduling conversion goal, which means that whenever someone reaches to our website through the ads, when someone schedule an appointment through our website, it should be counted as the conversion. So this is what we have set up, but you can also set up your own conversion actions based on your goal, which is create new conversions here, and you can have the name which is new conversion, and select an event. You can select like e-commerce events. You can select checkout started, contents viewed, items added, lead created, order created and everything. So you can select these data, these conversion action, and then it will give you a conversion code that you have to put on your website head section. I know it for some people it might sound very new, but for experienced people who are already dealing with conversions in Meta and Google Ads, they might know that there is a conversion code that we put on our website so that the platform can track the conversions that we have selected. Right, here's the start date and end date that you can select. So let's move ahead with the ad group, and let's give ad group name and maximum CPC bid. So let's try selecting 0.5 USD. Now the good thing is that it starts showing you that the bid might be too low because it may not deliver, so you might want to increase the bids. Still the same, $3 is what it is recommending for us to keep the bids, but I'm going to keep it $1 for now and see that how it goes. Context, since AdShot Media is digital marketing agency, so I'll put digital marketing agency. You can put your own context that for example, context hints is describe the conversion topics or keywords where your product or services may be relevant. These hints guide matching but aren't exact match targeting rules. So yeah, you can it's like selecting the keyword theme or search theme whenever you set up a Performance Max campaign. So it is something like that. So I'm selecting digital marketing agency, Google Ads marketing agency. So whenever someone searches for these kind of search terms, our ad will be shown. Now new ad. So let's name this ads test, and headline AdShot Media 10 plus years experience, Google Ads Management Agency, Google Partners. So this is just the sample ad copy for this video purpose. So this is how this ad is going to look like, and here is the option for the logo. So let's go ahead and upload the logo. Now you can see this is how the ad is going to look like on ChatGPT. And the next is when you hit review, it will go under review. For example this one, this is under review, and this is the same kind of ad that we wrote. Well, real talk, first impression, well, I think it's still early and in beta mode, so I cannot recommend to dump your budget here like Google Ads or Meta Ads. The reason I did it is simple. There is no benchmark yet. Nobody knows what good looks like in ChatGPT ads. So whoever runs the campaigns first gets the real data. So what I'm going to do is just let it run for 7 to 14 days, just like I do in Google Ads for a new campaign. And let's gather the data like the way we do in Google Ads. So whatever data or result that we will be having through this ChatGPT campaign will be published first here on our YouTube and our LinkedIn. Make sure you are subscribed on both the platforms, as we will be one of the first channels to release the ChatGPT ads data. And if you're a brand doing $20K per month, you want my team to test ChatGPT ads for your business, then you should go to the description. You'll find a link to schedule the meeting, and let's discuss how ChatGPT ads can work for you. Or else, if you want Google Ads to work for you, you know you're at the right place, because we at AdShot Media have 10 years of experience in Google Ads. We are Google partners. We have managed campaigns for travel, lead generation, home services, e-commerce and whatnot. Well, that's it. Just book a call.